At the annual community choir concert, Jim, known for his practical jokes, decided to orchestrate an amusing prank. He switched the choir's regular sheet music with copies filled with feather duster lyrics, designed to make even the most disciplined singers sneeze uncontrollably. As the choir started their performance, the audience was mesmerized by the peculiar tune that resembled a symphony of sneezes intermingled with laughter. The choir members, trying hard to keep a straight face, sneezed sporadically, causing a ripple of chuckles throughout the hall. By the end of the performance, the Sneeze Symphony had everyone laughing, and the prank went down in history as one of Jim's best comedic antics.